Do you want to know how you can create a demo account on Metatrader 5? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Use Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a demo account on Metatrader 5. Let's go ahead and start with the video. Go ahead and open Metatrader 5. As this is the first time you have opened Metatrader 5, it will directly take you to this page where you can open a demo account. And what you need to do is click accept. After you click accept, you can now create a demo account. It might not work sometimes, so it will take some time, and after it works, go ahead and click open a demo account. In a while, you can notice that Metatrader 5 is opening an account at MetaQuest Demo, which is the demo version of the real account. So guys, you can buy, sell, check the chart and do whatever function you can, but the only difference is that it is not real money. So it is a demo money and you can use it for your investigation and research. So guys, this is it. This is how you open a demo account. If it doesn't work, close it and open it again, and then it might start working. So guys, this is it. This is how you open a demo account on Metatrader 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.